Imagine a place where modern luxury meets rich history, where world-class amenities blend seemingly with Filipino hospitality. Welcome to Clark, Pampanga, Central Luzon's crown jewel. From the moment you arrive at Clark International Airport, one of the Philippines' most modern gateways, you'll discover why Clark is becoming Southeast Asia's premier destination. Experience history come alive at the Clark Museum, where the area's transformation from U.S. Air Base to thriving economic hub unfolds before your eyes. Stroll through the expansive Clark Parade grounds, where families gather for festival and events against the backdrop of perfectly manicured landscapes. Get up close with exotic wildlife at Clark Safari, where adventure meets conservation in an unforgettable experience. When the sun sets, Clark comes alive. From world-class casinos and entertainment complexes to vibrant nightlife districts, there's something for every taste. Golf enthusiasts can choose from championship courses designed by legends, each offering unique challenges against stunning backdrops. Savor the famous Kapampangan cuisine alongside international flavors at the restaurants that rival any global destination. But Clark isn't just tourist destination. It's an investment goldmine. Here's why smart investors are choosing Clark. For just 90 minutes away from Metro Manila, Clark offers the perfect balance of accessibility and growth potential. World-class airports, highways, and utilities provide the foundation for sustainable growth. Multiple special economic zones attract international businesses, creating jobs and driving property values upward. Strong public and private partnership ensures continued development and investor protection. Property values have consistently outperformed national average with no signs of slowing down. Living in Clark means embracing a lifestyle that combines the best of urban convenience with natural beauty. Clean, wide streets, modern hospitals and schools, shopping destinations that rival any major city. The climate is perfect year-round. The community is welcoming, and opportunities are endless whether you're starting business, raising a family, or planning your retirement. Clark, Pampanga, where your future begins today. Whether you're planning your next vacation or next investment, Clark offers possibilities as limitless as your dreams. Visit Clark, invest in Clark, and make Clark your home.
Hi, this is Myla Blas. I'm the sales manager here in Clark Aperito. At gusto ko sa inyo ipakita ang aming 243 square meter 4-bedroom unit, which is a soft noon concept. So bago tayo pumasok, of course, meron kaming biometric door and also the audio and video intercom. We make it like a Korean style. So meron kaming foyer, which is consists of a shoe cabinet for your bags. And then of course, we have a door. Minimize yung pumasok yung iinit at saka lamig from the outside. We go to the first bedroom. Itong first bedroom namin consists of cabinet and then first toilet or bathroom. Mostly our fixtures are all from Korea, especially the mga cabinets namin. So you can see, the furnitures are not included. Pero you can talk to our architects. You can arrange with them also. The second room, pwede nyo itong gawing for your kids' room or eto, katulad ng ginawa namin. We set it up as a music room. The third room, it's up to you if you want to customize it like this. So this is actually an exercise room. Siyempre, importante sa amin yung inyong storage. Kasi usually, condos don't have so much space. So this one, ginawa namin siyang parang talagang house or home. We make sure that you have a storage area. So pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung mga materials nyo for cleaning or your groceries. This is another pantry. Of course, our maid's room, or you can convert it as storage room. May nilagay kami dito na bath. This is actually not included, but you can request it from our interior for the price. Okay, let's go to our living area. So, yung living area, we want it to be spacious para yung mga guests nyo is very comfortable. And of course, yung living area mo, ang view niya is a pool area. Ang sarap dito magstay while you are watching TV kasi nakikita mo rin, maganda yung view. And let's go to our kitchen. We make sure na marami kayong storage dito sa kitchen. So we put cabinets here and then cabinets here. Actually, the furnitures are not included, but our sink from Korea are included. This is an island type sink. And we gave free range hood. We give free dishwasher, or we can convert it to oven. Let's go to the master's bedroom na. Very spacious master's bedroom with of course balcony na ang makikita mong view is a pool area. Usually kasi we make it 2 beds kasi usually the Koreans like it 2 beds for husband and wife. And syempre, pinaka-importante for all the women ang ating closet and our place for our makeup. The bathroom is with a bathtub and the bowl from Korea. Okay, let's go to our next model unit, which is a deep twilight concept. So let's go there. So this is our another design, which is a deep twilight concept. And of course, meron din siyang smart lock door and the foyer. And then going to our first bedroom, which is same as before, na free ang aming cabinet. Kasama siya sa fixtures. And with the toilet. So let's go to another room. So ito naman, ginawa namin siyang parang office area. So it's up to you kung anong gusto niyong concept. So this is the second room and then we'll go to the third room. Our third room, pinakita namin dito yung pwede niyong gawin na design sa inyong kids' room. Siyempre, meron pa rin storage or the pantry, common bathroom. And then we'll go again to the spacious living area. So the difference is, on this side, ang meron naman dito is the garden. So you will have a garden here and then meron kami ditong grill area. Actually kasi ang mga condos, wala tayong place to grill. So ito, we make sure na parang bahay talaga. Meron kaming nilagay na grill area and then your view is our sports complex. Consists of badminton, futsal, lawn tennis, and basketball court. And then next, dito, ang ginawa namin sa ating kitchen is an L-type. Makikita mo yung iyong guest while you are cooking. So, the range and hood is included then. Ito yung ating sample ng dishwasher. You can choose dishwasher or an oven. And this is our secret room. So, doon, our maid's room, dito naman, nakatago siya. So, our maid's room or storage, ito yung ating area. We'll go to the master's bedroom. So, yung ating master's bedroom is, so more on woody concept na siya ngayon. Kasama pa rin yung ating balcony. Actually, this is a fully air-conditioned area. So, free yung ating aircon na ibibigay sa inyo yung unit. So, we only have 1 compressor sa 5 aircon na naka-install sa inyong unit. Kasama pa rin, of course, ang ating bathroom, which consists of the cabinet, and your area for makeup, and the bathtub. Anyway, thank you for joining us here today sa ating tour dito sa aming units in Clark, Aperito. And for more information, please contact us sa provided details dito sa ating video. And I hope to see you here. Bye!